In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a spinning button on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work with. In my case, it's going to be this menu button right here. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on the button to highlight it, and then a bunch of different options are going to appear right above the button. Then I want you to click on animation, which is right here, tap on that. And I want you to close the entrance tab and focus on the loop one by clicking it. And then these are all the looping animations that we can work with. In our case, we want the button to spin. So we're going to click on the spinning animation right here. So we're going to click on this. And then I want you to click on customize right here, which is where we can customize the spinning motion of the button. So in our case, I want the motion to be moderate. The direction, I want it to be counterclockwise, because why not? And the duration, I want it to last just 1 second, for example. And I want there to be no delay so that the button continues to spin throughout. So there we go. To save the changes, simply exit, and then I want you to click on preview, and let's see what this will look like. And as you can see, this is what the spinning animation is on my button. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a spinning button on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.